Who's not responsive?
The girl in the middle.
Yeah. You guys need to move. Move!
At that very moment, the officer found a lifeless girl lying beneath her unresponsive parents. Officers raced to uncover the truth behind the incident. While Music and Matthew seemed just as oblivious, convinced their daughter was still alive, they frantically tried to rescue her, unaware that it was already too late.
Hey, she's still alive!
Grant County 911, what is the address of your emergency?
97 Quail Run.
Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
I'm staying with some friends right now, and they are completely... You have a little girl who's not responsive at all. Then they have a 7-year-old boy who is mostly responsive. I was able to get him on a chair, but I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
I really don't. I woke up and I heard someone yelling, "Ow, help." And so I went in and I was trying to help them.
Okay, give me a second while I get them started on their way, okay?
What's going on?
Some of the people in the home right here that aren't responding.
They're not responding?
There's one that's not responding.
Where at? In this one? Who's here? Sheriff's office.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Not much. Sorry, I'm really stiff this morning. I can't sit up right.
Are you guys on anything?
No.
No? What?
No, I'm just really stiff from...
What's wrong with them?
He's tired, I think.
Is he awake?
He is awake. He moved from here over to there. He is awake.
Yep. Okay. Who's not responsive?
Not responsive.
The girl in the middle.
The girl, she's responsive.
Let me see.
Yeah.
You guys need to move.
Yes.
Move.
Oh, shit.
You guys need to get up now.
Yeah.
Get up.
We're getting up.
Get up.
We're getting up. I'm getting up.
Let's go. Get up.
Yes, I'm getting up.
Let's go. Hurry up. Get up.
I'm going.
You guys need to get out.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Hurry up.
I'm going.
Get up. Stand up. Stand up.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Stand up. Get up. Hurry up. You need to get up.
Got it.
Let's go. Get up.
I'm getting up.
Leave her alone. Do not touch her. Get up. Go get the other deputies now.
They should be out here.
Go get them. Let's go. Get up.
Hey.
What is it?
We got a 10-7.
Where?
Right here.
Ooh, kid?
Move. Get up. Yes.
Get up now! Get up! Get out! I don't care. Stand up.
Let's go. Where's your shoes at?
How long? Hondo?
Pretty old.
Check his vitals. Did y'all smoke dope?
Huh?
No.
Fentanyl? What is it?
I can't bend it down.
Your leg hurts?
No, I can't bend
Hey, send a 55 for him.
Check his vitals. Did y'all smoke dope?
No.
Fentanyl? What is it?
No, it's not fentanyl. We just fell asleep really hard. We're really sick.
55 for him.
32 Central, start at 55.
Let's go. Want me to carry you? Come here. Come here. I'll carry you.
Start me at 55 Central.
We have a 55 en route. What's going on?
Okay, we have a possible 10-7 child.
Get him out here.
Stand up.
I'm not copying 8.
Stand up. Come on. Give me your hands.
Where is this going?
Stand up! Now!
Okay.
I'm not going to tell you again! Stand up!
I'm standing up. I'm trying to stand up.
Give me the other arm.
Yeah. Ow!
Stand up!
I'm not going to tell you again.
I'm really trying to stand up. Okay?
God damn it, dude.
Stand up!
I'm trying to stand up. I'm trying to stand up. I'm trying to stand up. I'm trying to stand up.
God dang it.
So no fentanyl? What about meth? Right, just be honest with me because I need to be able to treat your kids.
Oh, my leg.
Your leg? Are you okay?
I'm just getting older.
How old is your sister?
Just turned 5 yesterday.
She just turned 5? She's 10-7.
What happened?
I don't know.
God damn it. I got you. I got you, baby. Come on. I got you. I got you, baby. I know. Hey, she's still alive. Hey, start CPR. She's still alive. She's still alive. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Is there anybody behind me, sir?
No.
Hey, we gotta meet this. We gotta.
Come on. Come here. You okay? Come here. It's okay.
Do we know what happened?
No, we don't know yet.
Okay. Who's responsive? Continue with this. I'm going to go out there and see what else we have, okay?
Come on, baby. Hey, grab my knuck. It's in the passenger seat in the Ziploc bag. Come on, baby. No, I can't. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Hit it with it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Where's the adult?
I have one cuffed. Come on, baby. Come on. Is there anybody behind me?
What's going on?
Yeah.
Why am I being arrested?
You're not being arrested, you're being detained. Turn around.
Why?
Because you're up here and there's a dead kid, that's why.
The dead kid? What?
Yeah.
I wasn't even in the house until
I
this morning.
don't care.
Called.
I don't care.
Please don't do this.
You're just in investigative detention. Put your hands together like you're praying.
Huh?
You're just in investigative detention. Under arrest, okay? Put your hands together like you're praying.
Wait, what? What did you say? Under arrest?
You're in investigative detention. You're not under arrest.
Okay. How long will this take?
As long as we decide.
What about the dogs? What about my dogs?
I don't know.
Oh, God.
They'll be here.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
We just hit her with Narcan.
I took a needle off of her. It's right there. It's all burnt up. There's still ash marks on her sweater.
What happened when you got here?
The door was already open. I seen the parents laying down. My son, he didn't look responsive. I didn't see him until I asked him. I said, "What's going on?" I looked left. He's just sitting on the chair, all lethargic. I said, "What's wrong with him?" And I saw him moving and breathing, so I was like, "Okay." I went to go check on him. I was all, "Who's not responsive?" And then she goes, the mom goes, "I don't think she is." And I looked and they're on top of her. I didn't even see him. Like half of his left body was on her left side, half of her right body was on her other side.
I don't know. It sounded like she was trying to gargle. I don't know.
Get pads, please.
Okay, help him.
You want to get those down there?
Yeah. What? No.
So she moved, and I looked at the kid, and he was okay. He was breathing. He was moving at least. I looked at her, and it was just... she was already gone. I felt her... I wasn't wearing gloves. I just felt her leg, and she was stiff and cold. So I tried getting the dad. I tried getting him up. They couldn't get up. I tried to put him...
Did you Narcan someone?
I tried to, but Lau already did before.
Get him again?
Because we were out here. I had the sun. I put on my hood and comes running. She said she's still alive, so he Narcaned her right here. I don't know what he was feeling, but I don't think she was.
No, he said she was been gone for a while.
Probably the death battle. That's dude. It was her birthday yesterday.
I know.
Did they take the 2 kids, or
I have both of them in my rig.
are they?
One's gone.
One is gone. That one's gone.
She's been gone for a while.
I thought so. I picked her up. I heard something, so I was like, possibly.
Yeah.
But she felt too. She felt too stiff. That's what I was gonna say. And the other kid?
He's doing good. He's got a couple of marks. I wouldn't quite say it was like abuse. He's got a mark here and then a scratch on his back. He said he hasn't eaten since Friday. And I asked him what was going on, and he said we are all just cold. So.
For over 2 months after the child's death, they remained free until authorities gathered enough evidence to arrest them. The case revealed a long history of child neglect, including unsafe living conditions and a severe lack of supervision. Matthew was charged with intentional child abuse resulting in death and child abandonment, while Music faced charges of intentional child abuse resulting in death and a first offense child-related charge. As of December 2024, their trial is still ongoing. If convicted, both are likely to face life in prison.